Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cody, and today, as always, we will be looking at gold and GJ. We'll be going over the Telegram channel for where I posted these setups today, as I do every single day pre-London. So if you haven't joined that already, go ahead and join it. The link will be in this video's description. Just click, I'll also put it in the comments, but click on the video, click the description, and click in the comments to find the link to this Telegram channel. Sorry, I just got an itchy nose. I think it's from my cat. I got cat hairs on my nose. So we'll go over today's trade, and we'll look at the setups. We'll look through the Telegram, and another beautiful day. So I think this is trade, I think it's like trade 9 in a row, I think, that I've called out in the Telegram now. There's been 9 winning trades, I think 2 break evens and 0 losses so far. So like I said, the link will be in the description and in the comments. Definitely join the Telegram if you're looking to improve on your trading, or just follow along and see how I trade, what kind of levels I'm posting, and just kind of follow along with my journey, which was the initial idea of this Telegram channel. It wasn't really to give signals and give people entries and things like that. It was more so to just post my journey, my trading journey, and where it's going. But obviously from the YouTube channels, people are really loving the content in there and they're joining up quick. All I ask for in return for me to keep posting in this Telegram channel, keep posting on my subs, is that you go to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you subscribe and you like my latest videos and comment on them, engage with the channel, and that is all I ask for. And I'll be happy to keep this Telegram channel open as long as that keeps happening. And I'll show you real quick. It was amazing this week. You guys from the Telegram really went over to my YouTube channel, and you know, these were the views before I asked people to engage in the channel through the Telegram. And then as soon as I did, look at this one, 86 views, this one 27 views. So thank you guys a lot. I really appreciate it, and it does give me makes me want to continue doing what I'm doing. You know, if you're seeing the numbers and you're seeing a change and a growth, it keeps you like wanting to do more and keeps you hungry. So I appreciate you guys doing that. But let's get into the gold trade. So where's the Telegram? Right here. Boom. Right, here's my Telegram. Trading journal by Cody Fieldings. 67 people in here so far. And you can see if we go to today, right here, this is my first message of the day, just getting people ready for the market. My favorite day of the week is here, market open. Let's have another great week of trades. We will remain calm. We will remain logical in our approach. And most of all, we will enjoy the process, right? This was a message at 7 this morning. And then here's my gold setup chart, right? Boom, levels, right? Stop loss, entry, green, take profit, blue, right? Stop loss, gray. So that was the gold setup. You can see here, gold levels. Today's gold levels are in. That was at 3 p.m. And you can see I posted a GJ chart as well. And I said, today's GJ levels. GJ does, however, look messy. Price action is a little choppy, so I'll be focused on gold today, right? So I did say that in the Telegram, and that is exactly what happened. I focused on gold. I didn't even look at GJ. I don't even know what's happening with GJ. You can see price. Look at this candle right here, right? Price would have triggered you in that trade, and now price closed back up here and it's reversing, right? So this is the reason I said that in the Telegram channel that I'll be focusing on gold, because you can just tell with how GJ is forming, right? You can see previous price action over here. Look at this, right? It's kind of going up, but it's, you know, there's no clear volume in any direction. There's lots of rejection wicks, and price is kind of just stalling at the moment. So for that reason, staying away from GJ. I didn't enter that, so I'm going to delete that. I just had that there for the Telegram setup. But yeah, we took gold today, and it obviously worked out perfectly. We was in this trade for around about 2.5 hours. And yeah, just beautiful, and we can see, you know, here, boom, take profit hit, moving stops to break even, take profit level hit for 40 pips, right? That's where I was moving stops to break even right there, moving stops to break even. because this just all of a sudden out of nowhere just dropped. We was waiting for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and it was kind of just stalling, just sitting around break even, a little bit of drawdown, break even, and then all of a sudden that volume came in for the last 15 minutes of the hourly candle, and hit our take profit. So now you can see again potentially price stalling here at this point. So as always, my levels are very precise, right? I've been through this. I've said this before, and I've been through this before, and I'll go through it again, and I'll say it again. Every time I have a take profit level, right, I have logical stops, logical take profits. Right here, you can see price hit my take profit, and then look where price reversed, right? Price reversed completely here. Again, perfect take profit level hit right here, boom, and price reverses, right? And these are all called in the Telegram here. Again, price hits take profit to the pip, and look how much it reverses right there. Completely reverses, right? This was a break-even trade. Again, price hits take profit and reverses. Price hits take profit and reverses. Price hits take profit, or it comes close to hitting take profit. This was also a break-even trade and reverses. Right, price hits take profit, reverses. Hits take profit, slight reverses, and then continues bearish. But you get the idea, right? Again, this one, price hits take profit and reverses. So these levels are levels for a reason. They're logical, right? They're very logical and precise levels, and they are there for a reason. And I have had a few comments. Obviously, I'll talk about this a lot, about the stop losses being high, more than the take profits. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, my stop loss very rarely gets hit. You will have losing trades every now and then, and you'll have a few break-even trades. But the win rate is high. And yeah, it's very hard for a trade to hit my stop loss because it is in a logical area and they are wide. So the market will have to move quite aggressively against me for my stop loss to get hit. So if it does get hit, it is what it is. It happens, right? Not everyone's going to have a winning trade all the time. Part of trading is losing trades. So yeah, it is what it is. So you'll probably see price potentially reverse from here now. There is some news tonight, high impact news, PMI. But like I said, I'm already out of this trade. And you can see, if I show you my terminal real quick, I am with FP Markets, boom, right here. You can see this was my first position. This is, like I said, right, I didn't post this in the Telegram, but I just want to show you so you don't think that I'm lying. This was my first position that I entered as sell, and then you can see here, closed half at break even, entered another position at the break of that 1 hour low. Remember I said that once price broke the previous 1 hour low, I entered that position again, and then I took both take profits. So you can see 2 blue arrows here, 1, 2, boom, boom, because that's 2 separate positions, right? The first one and the second one, right? So I had my first position, closed half of it, entered the other half back in here, closed both right here, right? You can see that on my chart. So that is that. Another day done and dusted in the markets. Like I said in my Telegram, we will remain calm. What did I say? We will remain calm. We will remain logical in our approach. There we go. And most of all, we will enjoy the process, right? So that is today's trade in gold. Like I said, the Telegram description will be down below in the comments and also in the description part of this video. And as we're watching gold completely reverse now, once price has hit take profit, right? Which it always does because my levels are so precise, right? So that is that. I think I'm just making sure I've covered everything. Yeah, GJ. Yeah, didn't take this trade. Like I said, I wasn't going to in the Telegram. I shouldn't have really posted the setup, but it is what it is. So let's see if we can get the Telegram to 100 subscribers shortly. So go over there, subscribe, and also let's get the YouTube channel growing. We've got 311 subscribers. Let's try to get this up to 500 and then 1,000. I'd love to get to 1,000 subs on YouTube sometime soon. That would be amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and my next video will be tomorrow, of course, if there's any setups tomorrow. If there isn't, then it will be Wednesday. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for engaging in the channel. For those of you who have been doing so on my YouTube and commenting and liking the videos, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. You know, I love making content, so it's just nice when your work's being appreciated a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.